Greetings and welcome to Broward County Transit Cobra Clean training video. As you can see, Broward County has a FSX cleaning machine. Unfortunately, due to heating the DPF filters, many of them get damaged after a few cleanings. Cobra Clean is a biodegradable, non-acidic, non-caustic cleaning solution that does not use heat. It will melt the carbon from a DPF, DOC, or EGR valve. It's simple and easy to use. Take a dirty DPF and submerge it in Cobra Clean for 24 hours or longer, depending on how dirty the filter is. During that 24 hours, lift and let the filter drain out a few times to release the carbon particulates. After it soaks for the 24 hours, take it to your wash rack that has a filter so it can trap the carbon particulates to keep it from the environment or the waterways. Use a fire engine style hose, as you see here, so that you don't get dirty during the cleaning operation. It is recommended to use rubber gloves. By turning the filter on its side and cleaning one section at a time, 1/4 or 1/8 at a time, you will see the carbon particulates rinse or melt away from the DPF filter. After it gets clean, you will see clear water protrude from the honeycomb ceramic filter of a DPF. After you clean a DPF, you can easily clean EGR valves. Simply soak it in the Cobra Clean for 8, 10, or 24 hours, whichever you prefer. Take it to the wash rack and spray it off with clear water in the wash rack to protect yourself from releasing the particulates into the environmental waterways. It's simple, just rinse them off, and after it is done, check to make sure the valves work before reinstalling them on another vehicle. It's simple, it's easy, and cost efficient to use. Cleaning a DPF filter only costs about $80 versus the $350 to $500 most services charge to clean a DPF. The FSX machine, they only cost $50,000 more or less. So here's an opportunity to be biodegradable conscious. As you can see here, there's a DOC filter that came clean and 2 DPFs. The one on the bottom left was damaged, therefore it could not be cleaned. EGR valves came clean like new. To help reduce the particulate matter that gets caught in your DPF is the Eco 4 Fuel Enhancer. It works great on buses, trucks, vehicles. As you can see here, it is low cost and easy to install. Go to ecofuelmax.com for more information. If you need any more information, please feel free to give us a call. We are here to